Well, Nick the Dick. What a surprise. Where you coming from, Nick?
Fishing in Cuernavaca?
Oh, sure you were. What do you say we take a look at your catch, huh? Come on. Oh, me, I would have thrown him back. Bájanse todos. Formen una línea aquí, por favor. So, Nick, what do you get? Like $100 a head here? 200? Hope you saved it all for your lawyer, my friend, because you are gonna need it.
We'll take it from here.
Who the hell are you?
INS Division 6.
Division 6? I never heard of Division 6.
Really? So you got your money on, D?
Tough call, Hank.
Oye, vato, ¿qué pasa? ¿Cómo estás? Bien, bien. Ok. Abuela, no te preocupes. Bienvenida a los Estados Unidos. ¿Y a dónde vas? ¿Nogales? Buscando trabajo, sin duda. ¿Y tú? Lo mismo. ¿Y tú? Placer verle aquí. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué dices si te rompo la cara? Eres muy feo, ¿no? Y no hablas ni una palabra del español. We got a winner here. Todos los demás pueden irse. Váyanse.
No se mueven.
Tomen el camión y váyanse, por favor.
Sir. Sir, you can't just...
Don't sir me, young man. You have no idea who you're dealing with. Súbense en el camión ahorita, por favor. We're gonna have a little chat with our friend here. You fellas can hit the road. Keep on protecting us from the dangerous aliens.
You ever hear of Division 6?
There is no Division 6. This is bullshit.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like you fell off the bus in the wrong part of town, amigo. In fact, I'm gonna bet dollars to pesos you're not anywhere near here. Mikey?
Yamanik say heitsta komsträbe. Kampana jeksha, huh?
Mikey, when they let you out of jail?
What's the go?
Political refugee, right?
You know how many treaties you just violated?
One.
Try 7.
That's enough, Mikey. You hand me that head. Put up your arms and all your flippers. Oh, shit. That was not human. I know. Oh, looks like you got some entrails on you there, pal.
What the hell?
The situation's under control. Calm down, please. Give me your attention for a moment. I'll be glad to tell you what happened. This is called a neuralizer. It's a gift from some friends from out of town. This red eye here will isolate the electronic impulses in your brains, more specifically the ones for memory. Oh, that's good, fellas. Give me a splay burn around the perimeter with holes at 40, 60, and 80 meters from right here. Thank you. That's good. Thank you.
What in the hell is going on?
Excellent question. And the answer you're looking for lies right here.
Who are you? Really?
Really? I am just a figment of your imagination.
Damn, what a gullible breed. I'm serious, fellas. You're lucky to be alive after a blast like that.
What blast?
The underground gas main, genius. You fellas need to exercise a lot more caution before discharging your firearms, I'll tell you that right now. Especially you. Have yourselves checked out with EMS on the other side of the hill before you leave.